In this video, you will learn how to buy shares on Trading 212. First, log in. Log into your account, open your Trading 212 app or website and log in using your credentials. Then, search. Search for the stock. Use the search bar to find the stock you want to buy. You can search by company, name or ticker symbol. Select. Select the stock. Once you've found the stock, tap and click on it to view the details. After that, click Buy. Hit the Buy button on the stock page. Choose your investment account. You can choose a value, so enter an amount of money, such as $100 or $50 or even $10. Or shares. You can enter the number of shares you want to purchase, such as 0.5 or 2. Review. Review the order details and check for any fees, then confirm your purchase. Complete the transaction. Once confirmed, the shares will be purchased and you will receive a notification. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.